The Salus3 Cloud Mass Casualty Incident Module has been developed in collaboration to provide event medical organisers a solution to allow quick and easy oversight should a mass casualty incident occur. Event medical commanders can easily track triage progress, injury types, see and track patient flow. This critical information can also be shared with external agencies such as NHS Ambulance Service Commanders and Hospital Ambulance Liaison Officers. The Salus3 Cloud Mass Casualty Incident Module also gathers critical data that may be required in the months following an incident, including patient information, persons involved in triage for witness statements, patient flow, and patient locations. The Salus3 Cloud Mass Casualty Incident Module works by allocating triage tags to triage packs, which can then be placed in key locations around venues. The locations of these packs are recorded within the system. With quick and easy access to the Mass Casualty Incident Portal, any person, not just medical staff, can start a triage process. Should they already be registered on the system, they will be sent a login link via email to allow for quick and easy login. Once a user has logged into the Mass Casualty Incident Portal, they will only be shown any active incidents that you have created. Once the triage process has taken place, such as following the 10-second triage tool, an appropriate uniquely numbered triage tag is applied to the person. The number of this tag is then entered into the Mass Casualty Incident Portal to start the triage login process. Any brief interventions carried out at the point of triage, such as opening an airway, can be recorded at this point. The user will then be sent back to the Enter Tag screen to continue to triage the next patient. As patients are moved around an incident site, their movements can be logged. By entering the existing triage tag number into the Enter Tag screen, the user can select a location they're being directed to. The patient name, date of birth, and a brief description of any injury can also be captured at this point. Persons with the responsibilities for overseeing incident sections such as casualty clearing can easily see their incoming, current, and outgoing patients to help with maintaining patient flow and treatment. General notes can be recorded should pertinent information need to be recorded. Additional interventions carried out by non-triage staff can also be recorded. And patients can also be discharged from the incident site. The triage tag also maintains an audit log of information and actions. You can see the pack the triage tag originated from to help with assisting where the patient was originally triaged, the date and time of triage, by who, and the device GPS coordinates that completed the initial triage, the latest movement of the patient, including the last, current, and next locations, and a history of all actions and information changes and captures. You can also easily set up external access to allow for patients to be overseen by NHS ambulance managers and local hospitals. We can see here on the receiving hospital screen patients that are due to arrive at a specific hospital from the incident site. We can also select specific hospitals. Should we be sending patients to more than one location? So each location can only see the patients that are due to come to them. And once at the hospitals, if you're having, for example, a hospital ambulance liaison officer, you can receive patients into those locations. Once you're receiving, it will open up the tag, so you can continue to enter any further information if you so wish to. If we go back to receiving hospital, we can now see that we have a patient in with us or in at the hospital with a chest trauma injury. Within the back end of Salus3 Cloud, this is where incidents are started. You can record the title of the incident, the location, the date, and also the GPS coordinates of the incident site. When creating an incident, a list of locations will be populated, such as Casualty Clearing Station P1, P2, P3, Receiving Hospital, and ambulance loading points. Clicking into these will allow you to record the precise GPS location coordinates of these locations. You can also select your nearest hospitals that patients are likely to be transported to. You can also track statistics during the event. This includes the number of patients by priority, so P1, P2, P3, and not breathing, the tags that have been used and where they have originated from, and a map-based report of the triage tag initial locations. By default, it will take you to your incident site GPS coordinates and will show you the points of where each patient has been initially triaged, and you can turn off certain layers if you only wish to view specific points. As with our other modules, the Mass Casualty Incident module is configurable to your needs, such as custom discharge reasons, location types, and security permissions. For more information on our Mass Casualty Incident module, please reach out to us via our website at www.salus3.co.uk.